Hey everybody, it's Donna here, and I'm going to do this new moon solar eclipse meditation. You can do this at any time, but today is really powerful and really special. This is a beautiful time for new beginnings, and the energy right now is shifting us in that area. What to remember is that this doesn't happen overnight. So the next couple of months are going to be challenging in terms of we're going to be in a transition stage. So think about if you're remodeling a kitchen and you have to take out all of the old cabinets and your house is going to look like a mess for a little bit. And there's going to be dirt everywhere and sawdust, but then you start moving the new stuff in and you start to see everything coming together. That's exactly what's happening now, and we're reformulating all the different areas in our lives. So especially today and the next few weeks, be very cautious of where your mindset is. Try to make sure that you're always thinking positive thoughts. If you're trying to bring in a new home, new neighbors, new romance, a new job, try to only focus on the aspects that you want to bring in. Like you're looking forward to having a more flexible schedule, or you're looking forward to a harmonious home, or you enjoy a harmonious home. The vision boards are really powerful. I'm honestly going to do a vision board for myself. I haven't done one in a long time. And we have to, through this time, stay grounded. It's going to be a couple of months until March when the energy really has the big shift and the old is released. So try to work with the elements that you use to stay calm, but also work with new elements. So look for meditation online. I'm going to be hosting a bunch of meditation classes that are free. And there's a lot of other people doing the same thing because we want people to feel better and have our communities be peaceful and happy. So right now, find a quiet place. Even if you're in your car, just pull over. Try to have your feet on the ground unless you're laying down. And if you're laying down, try to not cross your feet or your ankles. And just notice your breath. How fast is your breath going right now? And now, on your inhale, expand that belly. Push that belly out on the inhale. And exhale everything out like you're bringing your belly button to touch your spine. Do a couple of more breaths like this. And now, in between that inhale and exhale, have a nice pause. So big inhale, pause, and then slowly exhale, like you're trying to go as slow as you possibly can. And stay with this breath, trying to keep your eyes closed. And bring your attention to your feet and your ankles. You can crunch your toes, move your ankles around. And just be thankful for your feet, how hard your feet work for you every day. I was saying this the other day, we don't realize how much that our feet work for us, our ankles, our wrists, our knees, until we have an injury. So just give thanks for how hard your feet and your ankles are working for you right now. And then bring your attention to your legs, including your knees. And if any of these areas have a space today that feels uncomfortable or needs a little bit of extra attention, breathe into that space a little longer. You can imagine white light going into that space. You can put a crystal on that spot while you're doing this. And then give thanks for your legs, including your knees, for all the hard work, how strong we are. There are a lot of theories on the longevity of life is how often you use your biggest muscles, your thighs, squatting down to garden or doing exercises. So just give them a little bit extra love. And moving into our hip area, we hold a lot of tension in our hips, a lot of how we were raised, childhood traumas, recordings that go over and over again in our heads of ways that maybe aren't the ways that you think now, but were programmed into you as a child. And just honor that that's where you were at that time, and release any tensions that come up in this area. And give thanks for our stomachs, our beautiful stomachs that are like little factories for us. Processing our food into waste and energy and nutrition, keeping our bodies healthy and happy. Moving up into our rib cage, housing our lungs and our heart. Just pay attention to your heart, feeling that heartbeat for a few breaths. Exhaling out anything that feels heavy. If you've been having a heavy heart lately, exhaling out any tension there. And now giving gratitude for how strong your heart is, for you to love and then love again, and to have compassion and caring. And release any grief. And even in grief, it just shows how much we've loved. And then move your attention to your lungs, your life force, your breath, and take couple of breaths that are a little bit bigger than the last few breaths you've taken. So expanding those lungs just a little bit more. How many times a day do we take a breath and we don't even realize it? And again, exhaling out, being grateful for your healthy, happy lungs, especially during this time. And again, exhaling anything that needs to go. Moving into your shoulders, just relaxing those shoulders, let them melt towards the earth. So pulling them away from your ears. And just giving your shoulders recognition for all the hard work and being thankful for holding up the world for you. And coming into your throat. That's our communication center, our throat chakra area. And just give thanks that you always speak the truth with love and kindness. Always getting out the negative thoughts and negative energy. Anything that's just bogging you down. If a person's aggravating you, you can always write letters to them and burn them or rip them up. You just want to always get the energy out of your body, because it starts to become disease and illness if you harbor too long on things. So releasing the energy that's tension. This is a great time to write down the things you want to bring into your life. So focusing on all the amazing things that you want to manifest and keeping those, maybe keep a couple of them written down in your purse or your pocket, maybe on your mirror, wherever you wake up and you look at, maybe there's an affirmation. But making sure that we're communicating our feelings, even if it's just to ourselves in a letter. Coming into your face, your beautiful faces, relaxing your jaw, unclench your jaw, bring your tongue behind your front two teeth. Just let your whole face melt. Gently roll your eyes. Your eyes are closed, but roll your eyes like you're looking up at the back of your forehead. That's going to help you go into a deeper meditative state. And just be grateful for your face, all of your senses, your sight, your taste, your hearing, your sense of smell. And release any negative thoughts about your face. Maybe it's thoughts of aging or you don't love your nose. Just let all that go and just be grateful for exactly where you are right now, your face, your beautiful face. Your face shows all the beauty within, all of that beautiful energy. Moving to the crown of your head, that crown chakra. And this allows us to connect to all of the people around us. There's some kind of beauty and purity inside every single person, even the worst person you know. So connecting to that person here, just feeling like your whole head is illuminated with white light. And then just stay here. And if one of the chakras meant a lot more to you, something was going on there, one of these areas in your body, just breathe into that area. And I'm going to release you to the waterfall and just stay here as long as you want, listening to the waterfall.